Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss how to create an Angular component. An Angular app is basically composed of several components. So you must have an Angular app ready with you. If you don't have any Angular app already, then you need to create a one. So enter the command ng new my Angular app. This will create an Angular application with the name my Angular app. Then navigate to the app folder, cd my Angular app, and then enter the command ng serve ---- open. So we already have this application running. So open another command prompt and enter the command ng generate component my component. So you will give this command ng generate component my component from the application folder. So it will create in Angular component folder, cd src folder. Then in the src folder there is a folder called app that contains the main application files. Then you can see that we have the component files. This is the main component file, app.component.css, app.component.html, app.component.spec.ts, then app.component.ts, and there is folder my component. This is the folder and contains 4 files. So you will see that these are the 4 files contained in the component folder: my component.component.css, html, spec.ts, and ts file. So these are the 4 files contained in a component folder. The ts file contains the component logic, the UI or is contained in the HTML file. Then CSS file contains the style information, and spec.ts is basically the component test file. Now you can open the my component.component.ts. So navigate to the folder. This is my component and the ts file is there. This is the my component.component.ts file, and open in the Visual Studio Code. So this is the basic structure of the component file. It will import the component from the Angular core package. Then selector is the app my component. We use the selector in the main application file, and here we will use any imports. Right now we don't need any. Then template URL contains the URL of the HTML file UI, and style URL contains the CSS information. Then let us create a variable called message of the type string and contains certain value. And save the file. Now this is the UI. In the UI, we can provide the HTML, and for the accessing this variable message we can use the interpolation. So this is the double curly brackets which are enclosing the variable message, and this is the Angular interpolation which binds the message variable from the .ts file to the template. So basically this is for data transfer from this ts file to the application component. So again we navigate to the project folder and open the UI or HTML file. This is the HTML file. We open with the VS Code, and here we specify Angular component demo, and then specify the message, and save the file. You can use the style information also, so you can open the CSS file and specify certain background or color or any styling information. So this is the CS file, and open in the code. Here we can specify h1, and you can save this file also. Then you need to add the component to the main app. So you need to open the ts file, and in the ts file you need to import the component. So again navigate to the project folder. Here this is the app folder, and app.component.ts. Find the app.component.ts. This is the ts file, and open with code. Specify so you just need to add this, and then open the application's HTML file. So this is the app.component.html, and specify the name of the directive. This is in the form of directive app my component, so this will call the Angular component. So this is this tag represent the new component, and this is the selector from my component.ts. So this is the applications main applications the HTML file. Open with code. Then here we specify, and that should be included in the ts file of the main application. So you will see that this is the app.component.html. This is the HTML file of the main application. Here we have added the directive for the component app hyphen my hyphen component, and slash app hyphen my hyphen component, and the ts file should import this component, my component from dot slash my component dot component. This is the ts file of the component, and import should include my component, and the ts file of the component is this. Here this is the name of the class that we have to include in the main application file, and this is the string that will be displayed, and my component dot html is accessing this string using this interpolation, and this is the css file. So we get this output. This is how we use component in our Angular application. In the next video I'll discuss another component.